So I've got a 2018 Platinum. This customer is a subscriber on the channel as well. He had cam phasers done back in February. A little bit of a rattle intermittently sometimes, he says. Not like so much a rattle, but we know that if you keep the updated programming in after you do phasers, sometimes you have to go back to the original programming to get that to stop. So I'm going to put the original programming back in this truck when I'm done. But he says when he's towing his 5,000 pound trailer, he starts to get pretty hot, 230, 240 degrees when he's not paying attention. He'll have to downshift to like 7th gear, get RPMs up, get things flowing a little bit better, and then it'll start to cool down a little bit. So what I did was I went ahead and changed the water pump out because I did see some moisture around the seal coming out of the water pump, and I pulled the thermostat as well while I was there, and I'm going to update it to the newer style. Here's the OE original AA. You see right there it says HL3E8575AA. The new one is HL3E8575BA. It's got a plastic end instead of a metal end, and this metal end sometimes it starts binding up. I don't know, but we're gonna go back with this new one and update the cooling system, fresh coolant and everything, water pump, gaskets, put it all back together, give it back to the customer, let them run it. I have nothing to go off of right now because for one, I don't have a 5,000 pound trailer to tow to verify, and number two, there's no codes or anything set in the computer other than just what the customer's saying, so I have to start here. This is my first starting point. So anyway, let me get this back together. We'll go over a test drive. Well, there she is back there. We just got done on a test drive. I let it run for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, maybe closer to 30 minutes. And took it on a 10-mile run. Drove it pretty hard, let it cool down, drove it pretty hard, let it cool down, kind of really making it work a little bit. Didn't overheat not a single time. Took that rattle on startup programming out of it that they put in it back in the day, and put the original programming back in. Let the customer run it for a while, and then see if it overheats when he's towing and stuff. Then I mean, that's all I can do for right now. That's all I have to go off of, so stay tuned. So you're doing my paperwork and stuff now. Right now I just wanted to say thanks for watching, guys. Y'all be blessed and take care.